if you have your heart set on a large soaking tub like this, here's something you need to think about. Now, if you have a traditional water heater that's 30 or 40 gallons, and you have a tub like this that can hold as much as 100 gallons, you're not going to have that nice, relaxing hot bath that you had planned. I hear it from homeowners all the time complaining about their large tubs just simply do not get warm enough. But I never hear that complaint from any homeowner that has a tankless water heater.
The biggest advantage with the tankless water heater is you don't run out of hot water. You got a conventional tank, 40 gallon, and you're trying to fill a tub, you got several people wanting to take a bath, you're going to lose hot water. Somebody's going to take a cold shower, and nobody likes that. So Renai, the tankless water heater, gives you a solution that is great for the family. What happens is, as soon as you go to your valve and you turn it on, it's got a flow switch inside of this heater. When that water goes past that flow switch, it says turn on the heater. The heater turns on. It continuously heats water whenever you need it, at the time you need it. What I like to do with the Renai is turn on your heat, take your digital control and move it down to 104 or 106. Go to that big large tub that you want to take a bath in, simply turn on the hot water side. In other words, why have water at 120 degrees coming into the bathtub knowing you can't get in there and then have to cool it down on the cold side by delivering some cold water with it. So in this case, you just turn on the hot water valve and just fill it up.